rough ends in the bath, in the basement for a toilet. So don't cut it right away before you put the tiles down. The reason why, because if you cut it down, then when you need to put this flange, so somebody will put that flange right on the concrete floor, and then when you're gonna put a tiles around it, that will gonna be basically under the tile. That's not good for your toilet, what you're gonna put on top. So you put the tiles first, then you put the flange. You cut it and put the flange on top of the tiles. That way your toilet is gonna be flat with the tiles, and the flange is gonna be sealed tight to the bottom of the toilet. That will give you a perfect seal and it's not gonna leak. Otherwise, you have to put extended wax ring to protect yourself from the leaks. So better just wait until it's all done. Then you can do it yourself, or you call the plumber to do it. Since I'm a master plumber, I can do it myself. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll show you the final result. Thank you. Bye. Here's the correct install toilet flange. Thank you for watching.